Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Happy Mask Monday, ladies and friends collaboration day. Hope you guys are taking a moment to sit down, relax, unwind, and just take a little time for yourself, do a little self-care of your skin. Maybe have a glass of your favorite drink, relax on a nice comfortable chair, take a load off, and we'll try to get through a quick video for you guys. So first mask I'm going to use, well, the mask I'm going to use today, I was out all weekend outside. I feel a little windburned, although I don't look it, I do feel it. So I want a hydrating mask. So I have this Mally Systems Green Tea Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask. I have used this before. I like this mask a lot. I'm going to go in and try that today to put a little hydration. I was going to do the under eye mask today, and honestly I just was being lazy and decided not to. Probably should, but that's okay. Now here's the mask. I really like this style of sheet mask. Not too thick, not too thin, definitely holds a ton of serum. I'm always worried I'm going to rip the mask, so I say that all the time, but it's kind of like wadded up into a kind of a puzzle piece that I'm afraid if I pull really hard, I'm just going to tear it, and then that's a pain. So, okay. Here we go. Got my bunny ears on, my bunny ear headband. I also have my mask that I got off Amazon to hold this mask in place. Oh, she's cold, and it really minimal smell or fragrance to it. Definitely you can smell something, but it's not heavily fragranced, which is good because fragrance really is not good for your skin. Can be an allergen for sure. Okay, I don't know that I got it perfectly. Let's see if we can get the nose piece down. Nope. I don't know, maybe I got it on the underside. I thought I didn't have it on the underside, but I probably do. I'm gonna get this on, and then, yeah, quick tell you about my weekend. And then I have a piece of mail that I'm gonna unbox with you guys. Something I ordered off of TikTok like a couple weeks ago, and it finally showed up beginning of last week, and I just hadn't unboxed it, so I thought I'd share that with you guys today. Okay, so I went actually birding this weekend with a friend. She invited me to go along with her on a trip. She knew how kind of stressful life has been for me. If you guys don't understand what's going on, you'll want to watch last week's Mask Monday Ladies video. I talk in length about what's going on, but life's pretty stressful right now. So she invited me. There is a birding event up in Superior, Wisconsin. The Duluth, Minnesota, Superior, Wisconsin area. It's called Jaegerfest, and it starts with a J. I posted 2 shorts about that when we were on the beach. Basically, it's a big bird watching event. You're looking at all the birds that are coming south in migration out of the Arctic and Canada. And they call it Jaegerfest because the one bird you're really looking to see, which we unfortunately did not see, is called the parasitic Jaeger, and it's a type of bird that, it's, how do I explain it without like YouTube getting upset with me? So the bird pesters seagulls to get them to regurgitate their food, and then it eats it. That's all I'm going to say on it. So they're called a parasitic Jaeger. And they kind of fly. They're very fast, like a falcon, and they just harass gulls. Didn't see that bird. Saw a bunch of other really, really cool birds. Saw thousands and thousands of gulls. Saw some really neat birds that I'd not seen before. So I got some life birds. So that was great. It was a drive up one day, drive home the next day trip. She had it all planned out, and at the last minute, she's like, if you want to tag along, she's like, I have everything all ready to go. Just pack a bag for overnight and I'll pick you up. So I said, yep, I need to get out of town. Need to kind of de-stress. Honestly, it was really nice sitting along the shoreline, listening to the waves. Very relaxing. Sad thing is, as we're driving home, I could feel my anxiety of all the things I have to deal with coming back, but it was really lovely. And the weather was pretty nice. We had one round of storms, but it was really nice. So it was a really, really great weekend. I also posted, I think, a video of the place that she rented for the one overnight to stay. It was amazing. It was beautiful. It was right on the shore of Lake Superior, probably 30 steps out of the porch. You could be right along the shoreline. Now, we were up. You couldn't go into the lake or anything. It wasn't a beach, but you were right there on the lake. So that was really pretty. Beautiful sunrise. So that was really fun, and I appreciated it so much. So that was a ton of fun. That was my weekend. It went fast. So, okay, so I ordered something several weeks ago from the TikTok shop. It's from the brand One Size, which is Patrick Starr. If you're familiar at all with the drag queens, Patrick Starr. I ordered some of his viral setting spray. You can get it in Ulta, I believe. I'm not sure. You probably can get it in Sephora as well, but it's kind of expensive, but it's been getting rave reviews. So I'm like, well, back when I was using makeup every day, I needed setting spray because I was just about out of my setting spray. Now this took forever to come, but they did a nice job of packing it. I mean, better than Ipsy does with their BoxyCharm. So this is what it looks like. This is the One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. This is supposed to be like amazing. And I got the mattifying one because I don't really like having like a shiny look to myself. So I like that it's taped on here. That's really good. Like I said, I bought 2 of them because I tend to use a lot of setting spray when I'm wearing makeup. So especially if I'm wearing like a fun eyeshadow that has any kind of glitters or anything to it. But so one of these days when I go back to wearing makeup again, I will be trying these out. So comment down below. Let me know if you guys have tried this. If you've even heard of it. Like I said, this is the mattifying one that's waterproof. It's called Until Dawn, and the brand is called One Size, and that's what the OS is, One Size. So, yeah, I'm super excited to try this eventually, and I say eventually because right now I'm just not wearing any makeup. So, like I said, if you want to know what's going on in my life, watch last week's Mask Monday video. It's a long one. It's a, 50-minute video, but it is because I'm telling you guys, I go through all my empties last week for 2.5 months of empties. And then I kind of let you guys know what's going on in life, and it was pretty chaotic. So things are a little crazy right now. But yeah, that's what I got going on. I do apologize to my winner for last week. I still haven't gotten her item in the mail. I need a bigger mailing bag to mail her stuff out in. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. I think I have a friend who said she's got one for me, and we were trying to connect, and then I left for the weekend. So yeah, apologies. I will get it in the mail to you. It's well worth the wait. It's a lot of good goodies, but I need a bigger mailing bag. The mailing bag that I have doesn't fit everything in it. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on. But yeah, this is kind of a quick video. Oh, I do want to let you guys know, I'm pretty excited. Another friend of mine and I, we are both horse ladies, as you guys know. That's why I'm called Opinionated Horsewoman. We are going to start another channel on YouTube. Hopefully start that in the next month. We're going to start filming soon. It's all going to be equestrian related. And so I will let you guys know when that channel opens up and the videos start dropping. But we're pretty excited about it. We've got a lot of plans for it. We've got pages and pages and pages of topics that we're going to be filming video on. And I mean, I think we probably jotted down within like 4 hours. No, not even. Within an hour and a half, I think we had probably 200 topics that we thought we should film about. So it is basically going to be extremely horse related, farm related, really excited. So like I said, we're going to start filming soon on that. We're going to meet up tomorrow, get a little bit of filming started and go from there. So, if you're interested in that, I will of course let you guys know and link to it when it's dropping, but I'm really excited. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Looking forward to it. Yeah, so that's what's going on here. I don't really have a whole lot of anything else to update you guys on. The first week of job searching, it has been rough, but reaching out to a whole bunch of recruiters, which has been really helpful. And yeah, just going from there. So I think it's going to be an uphill battle. It's a weird time of year to be doing this. I'm just still so disappointed in what happened. Never really going to know the actual truth, other than, what they told me. But I literally talked to this last week, I believe, 5 or 6 recruiters, told them the story, and they all thought it was crazy. They'd never heard of anything they'd never heard of anything happening like that in such a short amount of time, and they agree something's not right. And they also said that they wanted to know who the company was because they don't want to do business with that company. So that was refreshing and made me feel a little bit better to have professional HR people saying something's not right. It's never goes like that, and something's wrong. And yeah, because honestly, it's a kick in the pants for sure. Absolutely made me feel terrible. It's never happened to me before, but we're getting through it. So, okay, you guys, this mask is amazing. Again, it's from Mally Systems. It's the Green Tea Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask. It looks like you can leave it on for up to 30 minutes. I'm definitely going to do that. And there's some extra serum in here. Pretty good amount, actually, when I'm feeling it. So I might be able to get 2 uses out of this, although I'm definitely, as dry as my face feels, I'm kind of thinking about using this serum all down my neck and on my hands, because I was out in the sun and I had a ton of sunscreen on, but still you get it was windy, and I feel like I said, I feel like I'm a little windburned and a little windblown and feeling a little dry, lips feel dry. We stayed super hydrated and stuff, but you know how that is when you're out in the wind and you just still feel super dry. So I don't know. I mean, you do what you can do, but it still feels weird. So I might do that. I might not actually go for 2 uses out of this. I might just be using this serum on my hands, my arms, my neck, and really rubbing it into my face. So usually I go for 2, but definitely a nice mask. I like it a lot. It feels really great on. So as far as masks go, if you can get your hands on this one, I definitely give it a 2 thumbs up. But yeah, that's all I got for the week, you guys. I'm sorry it's a short video. Like I said, let me know if you have used any of the setting sprays from One Size. Being the fact that he is, or she is a drag queen, they, wear a ton of makeup. A lot of the makeup that they wear is theater makeup, so it's really heavy. And then when they're on stage performing, you got all those hot lights. So they need a setting spray that's going to absolutely keep their makeup, stuck to their face. So I am excited to try this. But let me know if you've used it. Like I said, I'm really curious to hear. So, all right, guys, have a great Monday. I appreciate your support so much, you guys. Like I said, I did post a couple of short videos over the weekend. If you could watch those, I'd appreciate it. Other ways, I did make a 2024 playlist. If you guys can let those videos run, let the ads run, please. It will help support me in this time. This is a challenging time of my life right now. There's a lot of chaos going on. But that would be helpful. If watching them with the ad and letting the ads run absolutely helps, the pennies that come from YouTube. So appreciate that so much, you guys. But have a great week, guys. I will see you all in my next video.